Hi, in this video I will show you how to replace the battery of the Boss SE-50. If you think you got a weird bug with this device where you've lost all your memory and all your presets have turned into weird gibberish, as seen in this picture, changing the battery will fix this. This device will take a certain type of battery, it's called a CR2033. First of all, you will need to unscrew the outside cover of the device. I've indicated the screws that need to be loosened or removed at the red circles. You have to do this on both sides of the device. After you unscrewed the cover of the device, you can remove the cover. Be mindful of the small little wedge that you need to slide the cover from. After removing the cover, the device will look like this. Next, you will need to unscrew the PCB with the screw indicated with the red circle. Next, turn the device to its side and unscrew the three screws that you will see near the MIDI sockets. Two screws are longer than the others. And now comes the hard part. So the PCB has been loosened, yet it's still stuck to the device. It's connected by three ports. Carefully wiggle those loose. You can see on the picture where I removed the PCB where these ports are located. The last two ports are on the side of the device. Also carefully wiggle these loose and see if you can remove the whole PCB. The last two are not necessary to be removed, but they'll make your job a lot easier if you take it off completely. The printing plate will look a bit like this. You'll see the battery in the bottom right corner. The last part of the video is me removing the battery from the PCB. If you're interested, you can see how I did it with a screwdriver. I was a bit of screwing around. Be mindful when you put the battery back that you use a glove. Most of the time these flat batteries can discharge quite quickly. So you will need to replace it again and again and again